Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Steph and I hope you guys are doing amazing. Hi for you, my name is Stephanie and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and hit the subscribe button and join our family. Welcome back to yet another new video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about products that make me feel it girl or that girl. So the phrase that girl usually refers to someone who is confident, put together and is living her best life. It is a very popular phrase with the social media and coming up trend. Well, if we have a real talk, then we can say that being that girl doesn't mean you have to have a perfect body, a luxury closet or a flawless routine. Mainly, it's not about being the best. Instead, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. So before we head on to the video, I would like to give a small disclaimer that these products that I'm going to be mentioning you guys are my personal favorites, and these products are those products that help me feel confident and put together. So take what inspires you and make it your own. And if you guys have any recommendations for me, then please be free to put them down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys grab a snack or a drink, and without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the topic fashion. So if you guys don't know, I have done fashion creative direction and fashion styling. So I know and have an idea about trend forecasting in fashion industry. So these are just trends or a few products that I'm going to be suggesting you guys that help me elevate my wardrobe. So let's say you want to be a fashion girly, but you don't know what your personal style is and what suits your body type. That's where social media comes. You guys know the power of social media. There are so many fashion gurus out there that just talk about the coming trends. Just search your body type and they can suggest you what suits best for you. Now, if you don't want to do that also, you have another option, which is Pinterest. Yes, my love. That app literally suggests you everything from fashion to decor to hairstyles to makeup to recipes to quotes to anything. Name it, you have it. All you have to do is download that app and start searching. Now let's talk about the color trends, the color of the seasons. We all know that burgundy or cherry red is not going anywhere. The craze for that color is still continuing, and honestly I love it because that was just, I think I had a phase of only cherry red and only burgundy. Not only that, Pinterest is the best place to find color combos, and currently I love the color brown that is being paired with any color at this point, from baby blue to yellow, and I feel like you guys should definitely explore that. So we spoke about personal style and color of the season. So now let me take you to a few fashion products that help me elevate my closet and my personal style. Starting off with bodysuits. Can we please talk about this? If you do not have a bodysuit, then you're literally missing out on life. A bodysuit goes with anything. It can go with jeans, cargo, skirts, joggers. They just snatch and give you that girl energy. Let me show you my most used bodysuits and where I've got them from. So these are the two ones. I have a black one and a brown one. I feel like not any other color, but these two colors must be there in a bodysuit. A black one is so classic, it just goes with everything and every color. So my black bodysuit is from Primark, which is obviously not in Bahrain over here. In Bahrain, I will suggest you Zara. Zara just goes with all the basics. Please go there and get a bodysuit, or even Max, they have it, or even Centerpoint for affordable ones. I have a Zara one, but I don't wear it as more often as how much I wear this, because around the waist, the material of this bodysuit is the soft spandex material that gives you that snatch look. It's breathable. It does not make me like uncomfortable because it's that comfortable. And best part, you're sad that Primark doesn't have it. Guess what? Marks and Spencer has it. The same ditto exact version of the black one is this brown one from Marks and Spencer. The straps of it are different because they are thicker straps, and the waist material, it is the same. This is why get a bodysuit. Now, the next is bell-bottom pants or wide leg pants. These are not going anywhere, especially for a girl like me, like my body type, which is pear-shaped. Bell-bottom pants just help you look snatched, and they just make you look put together. Let me tell you, I do not own any jeans material wide leg pants. Now, where do I shop my bell bottoms or my wide leg pants from? Yeah, it's Zara. I think Zara is my holy grail, my go-to place to shop anything, especially basics or any fashion item, because they are just up to the mark and out there. Now, moving on from outfits, let's go to footwear. In footwear, we have flats. They are back, and hell yeah, flats like Mary Jane's, or even these new types that are these transparent ones, or even mesh material. I'll insert a picture over here. This is what I'm talking about. If you don't have them, please get them because they are truly a statement piece. Pair them up with sundresses or even flowy skirts like chef kisses. We own a pair of those transparent flats and we got them from a store called Zudio in India. But an alternative could definitely be Centerpoint because we own like another flat that's also from Centerpoint. They definitely eat with their footwear. Okay, I'm really sorry if you are a high heel girly. To be honest, not gonna lie, I only wear heels for a function or an occasion because I'm definitely not a high heel girly. But let's talk about shoes and my go-tos. If you know me, you know what am I gonna show you guys. They are my Sambas. Oh my god. I own till now I think 4 Sambas. I own one in the classic version and one in maroon and one in pink and one in blue. Honestly, if you are choosing for a sneaker that goes with everything, then it is the Adidas Sambas for you guys. It is timeless, minimal, and just elevates and puts together a whole fit. Now go for a sneaker look with flat sneaker or shoes. Even Gazelles, Adidas Gazelles are also really lovely. Stop using those chunky sneakers. I know a few people who do use it still, which I am tired of telling them not to. But anyways, if you're someone who uses chunky sneakers, please go ahead. If you're pulling that outfit, then do go ahead. Clap hands, kudos to you. Or some alternatives can be those Pumas. Those Puma ballet flats, absolutely love them. Or even Onitsuka Tigers. They are also a really good brand. Now moving on from footwear, let me suggest you guys some fashion accessories or some fashion staples. And I know that this might differ from people to people because jewelry is something that not every person likes maximalism of it or minimalism of it. So I can suggest you one fashion accessory to keep on using, then it would be a good pair of hoops. Okay, they're not the matching hoops, but anyways, here we go, a good pair of hoops. This box of mine just contains all my hoops over here, especially if you give me chunky hoops like these, I will go with it. Now these are my most complimented and most used pair of gold hoops. Now I got these from, again, Primark. I think that place needs to come in Bahrain. Some of the stores that I can suggest you are, one is an online store called Temu or Temu, however you want to pronounce it. If you haven't shopped from them, definitely do check their jewelry out because I can trust on their jewelry. Like these are some of my most used gold hoops from Temu, and I can tell you that they haven't lost their color. They are not turning brown, silver or gray. They're still intact with their gold detailing. Or H&M, they are also another store that do amazing gold hoop earrings. So if you want to check them out, check these stores out. Moving on, another fashion accessory, let's not sleep on glasses. Okay, they are not only for vision, but they give full-on fashion glam. It can literally make you feel polished and help in giving you that main character it girl energy vibe. Now a place that I can suggest you affordable glasses is Temu, you guys. Oh my god, you can get some amazing frames for so cheap. Example, I got this set of 4 or 5 glasses together, okay? One in blue frame, one in yellow or orange frame, one in black frame, and one in a brown frame. I also have a pink frame, can't find it. I literally got this for maybe 1.5 BD. Can you believe it? 5 frames together. If not for vision, then make sure you check Temu out. So moving on to beauty products, let's start off with skincare. Now I'm a true big believer of less is more, so I always make sure when anything comes to my face, I make sure I use products that are just the least of the least amount. Now obviously this may not work best for you because we may have different skin types. Now my skin type is I'm very oily on my T-zone but like dry near my cheek area. And let's talk about this product that I've been using since years and years, and it's a face wash. And if this brand stops making this face wash, then I think I will go crazy and I will protest to get this product back. Sorry, I'm very dedicated towards this product, and it is none other than this face wash, Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. Okay, why do I have to? Because I wanted to show you that yeah, this is literally like over. So let's talk about the product. This is the Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. It has neem and turmeric in them, and it claims to be pH skin friendly. It is best for normal to oily skin. I also sometimes literally remove my makeup with it. Now from skincare, let's move on to makeup. Now I have this one product to suggest you guys. I actually have a lot of products in makeup, but I don't think so it'll be enough time to suggest it. For now, let me suggest you that one product, which is this NYX Lip IV Hydrating Gloss Serum. I use the shades Berry Thirsty and Mauve and Moist. The shade that I'm wearing right now is this Mauve and Moist shade, and it's the most used one. It's actually my second bottle of it. It's such a hydrating gloss. Application is so smooth and the consistency is amazing. I definitely think it's one of NYX's best selling products. Now lastly, body care or even fragrances. Starting off, let's talk about this body scrub that I absolutely love and swear by. So this is the Lavender Soothing Body Scrub that is from Victoria's Secret Pink. They do sell some amazing products in the pink side, and I've gotten this I think 2 or 3 months back. So this is the soothing body scrub with lavender extract and vitamin E. The best part about it is it's an exfoliating blend of sugar crystals with vitamin E that literally boosts your body glow, and it's formulated with no artificial dyes. It literally smoothens the body, especially after shaving. This body scrub works wonders. Oh my god, what can go wrong? Like, I'm halfway down the tub. I need to get a new one before the wedding kick starts. Let's move on to fragrance body mists. Whenever you layer perfumes, make sure before that always layer a body mist. They just act like an extra level of protection for the perfume to stay longer on your body. Now, my go-to body mists, I think my whole family go-to body mists are these Victoria's Secret fragrances. Now, as you guys can see, they have changed their packaging. So the first one that we have is this Blue Jasmine Water Lily. It also has aloe in it, aloe vera. And the next one we have is this Vanilla Orchid Sandalwood, and with some essential oils. I'm really bad at explaining perfume notes. If you want to layer like a good oud strong perfume, this is a perfect body mist because it has vanilla and sandalwood, and it just complements really well. For a more floral, comfortable and fresh note, then this goes really well. This is so good. Yeah, literally use it everywhere. And with that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching. Let this video be a reminder that to focus on the little things that help you feel put together. Because trust me, the happiness and joy of dressing is literally an art. At least that's what I've learned. So if you guys really enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a big like. Make sure to share and subscribe and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button to be notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and don't forget to always keep smiling. Also, don't forget to be a pyari because you are a pyari. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.